morning everybody. Today is day one of lockdown, and as promised I'm going to give you some hints and tips to go out practicing with your parents. Okay, so in the top 10 reasons for failing a driving test is use of mirrors. Now when you're the instructor, your instructor is watching you intently. One of our biggest issues we have is sort of getting people back in line once they have been out with practicing at home for longer periods of time. Quite often the mirrors haven't been watched. First of all, make sure the person supervising you has a mirror of their own, because if they're not checking their mirror, they're unlikely to be watching you check your mirror. There are three things that stop me going to work. Number one is coronavirus. Number two is my dual controls. I wouldn't go to work without them. And number three are the two mirrors I have. One for looking what's behind me, and the other one is focused on my pupils' eyes so I can see everything that they see or do. Get some mirrors, people that are supervising. On the test, you are marked in three areas. You need to check your mirrors before you signal, centre, and then the side mirror that you're going. If you are about to slow down, you need to be aware of what is behind you. Are you going to hit the brakes too hard? What's the person behind doing? If you're speeding up, check your centre mirror, probably check your right mirror too, in case someone's overtaking you. If you're passing a parked car, check your centre mirror, check your right mirror, move around the car. After the parked car, check your centre mirror, check your left mirror. So those are the three things that they mark on the sheet. Mirrors before signalling, mirrors before changing direction, and mirrors before changing speed. So that's it. Practice at home, make sure you're checking, make sure the person next to you is checking as well. If you're practicing at home, remember only to be practicing when making essential journeys. I'm not advocating going out for 3-hour drives, such as maybe going to school, getting some food, etc. Finally, the reason I'm out and about, I'm walking 22 kilometres every day for the whole of lockdown. My friend Joe, Old Boys Training, is on a 365-day challenge to walk 8,000 kilometres and 50,000 metres in elevation to raise £365,000 for charity. Due to coronavirus, this has been made a little bit difficult. So the link is in the description below. Check out his Virgin Money page. Also what he's up to. He needs more followers, likes and help. There we go, people. Have a good day.